of recognition. This certificate proudly presented to Stanley Santos for being the best host of the night at the annual Carpio Family Home Care Services. Your energy, enthusiasm, and ability to engage everyone made the event truly memorable. Presented this 9th day of January 2026, signed by the owner Ali A. Rahim Salman and the manager Arlene G. Manaw.
For the Family Home Care Services staff and management, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for giving this award, a certificate of recognition from this day, January 9, 2026, here at Arman Hotel. It's a great honor and privilege to receive this award. Thank you so much, Ma'am Promise Joy. Thank you so much, Ma'am Arlene. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jonalyn, for giving this award. I truly treasure this award. And sana sa mga kapwa natin mga healthcare givers, sa mga kapwa natin mga frontliners, dahil ako rin ay isang nurse by profession, sana ay pagputuloy lang natin yung mga naumpisan natin sa panghiharap. At sana huwag tayo mapagod na paglingkuran yung mga pasyente natin. Kasi bilang kapalit po nun, yung pagtulong natin, pag-aruga natin sa mga kapwa natin, or sa mga may sakit, o sa mga nakapansanan, iba po yung kapalit nun. Kung baga mag-balance tayo ng doble-doble. Kung ano yung mga binibigay natin ng pag-aaruga, pagkalino sa kanila, for sure, ito-treasure nila yun at hindi nila tayo makakalimutan. So once again, Family Home Care Services, thank you for this award! Thank you so much! Thank you so much!